Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is unboxing of the KSCRAFT January 2024 release. It is Easter themed and you could find these die sets at aliexpress.com under the KSCRAFT store. Let's get started. First we have this KSCRAFT Easter flags, and this flag has flower borders on it. And it's sort of like an add-on because last year or the year before they have the summer flag, which has the middle piece inside that you could get to add it, but you don't necessarily need it. But yeah, it has the inner part that you could cut out. And the words here says Easter Bunny Hunt Egg, so it'd be like egg hunt, spring, and faith. Here we have some carrot bows. It's so cute. There's a small size and a big size. And here is the carrot and some bunny feet and the bunny body. And here is a carrot body that you would put here. And the bow is basically here. And we also have the bunny tail of it. So it's yeah, you can have like bunny or carrot, or you could add both. So there's many choices and there's two sizes. It's a really cute size. Here we have a cute lamb and chicken. So the lamb looks like this. Here we have the lamb and here we have the chick. And it looks like it could be a shaker because we have here the body part. So it's really nice for decorating your projects and gifts or embellishments, or sending it to Happy Mail, snail mail. It's a very nice little dies. And here we have KSCRAFT Peeps shaker bag topper. It's really neat because it has 3 Peeps on here and they're also shakers. I love Peeps. And it also includes the tie, some glasses, and a bow tie here, or you could make this the bunny tail. It could go on the bunny here, so it looks like the back of the bunny. And it has some details here where you know where to put the eyes and the nose. So they have some here, and so it'll have details when you print it out. And you'll essentially print out 2 of these background pieces to make it into a bag topper. And this one is 2 Peeps that you could add here, and this one is 3 Peeps. Put them back in. Next up we have Easter Bunny greetings stamp and metal cutting dies. Looks like this. And we have some bunny loves you, happy Easter, you're extra special, I'm so excited for you, Easter blessings, bunny kisses, hello spring, you're excellent. And here's the bunny, and it's holding the sign, and you stamp the words on the sign here. And it comes with these feet and the ears, also the facial features, and a bow. It's great for layering, and it's nice to have all these little details. You could print out different patterns of paper on here, and different sizes of the sign. Here looks like it's smaller and this one's larger. Very cute. Okay, and next up we have this KSCRAFT Easter Bunny bow. It's very cute. it's different because on the bow, it's printed with bunny heads. And when you fold it up, it'll have a pattern in the middle with bunny heads. I think that looks so neat. So you could layer it so the back of the bunny head would have a different color, and the front of the bow would have a different color. So essentially you'll have two different colors. And here's the middle of the bow. It's a bigger bunny that you could place in the middle here, I'm thinking. And also here's another piece for the bottom of the bow. It's very nice. Next up, we have this KSCRAFT Easter Garlands. It's so neat. So last year it came out with one that's Christmas themed, and now we have an Easter garland here. And we have some eggs that have some flower patterns, or you could have just a regular egg, or eggs with dots on them, or you could put, and then we have a carrot garland here and Peeps bunny pattern here. So it's very cute. You can put it on your projects, and or you can have a character holding this garland. It's super nice. Next up, we have this KSCRAFT 2024 Easter Shadow Words. Some of the words says risen, jelly bean, blessed, excellent, happy Easter. I like the jelly bean one. I've always been waiting for one that says jelly bean, and now we have one from KSCRAFT. Here we have a KSCRAFT bunny donut shaker. It's really neat looking, and I love the donut. You can make it into a shaker and you place it onto this bunny head. Comes with some sprinkles, and I believe these are the middle of the bunny ears. So it goes right here, and one is right here, and it's super cute. Here we have KSCRAFT Peking Bunny. So I'm thinking the bunny, this is the back of the bunny, and it looks like it's going through a hole or something with this. It reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, where the bunny goes into a hole. It includes these words Happy Easter, and has two circle patterns. One has butterflies on the edges, and it's like scalloped, and the other one is grass like. So yeah, so it's like back here is the little puffy tail, and then the legs and the body. Next up, we have this KSCRAFT Hoppy Easter bag topper, and this one, it comes with this egg, and it looks really neat because it's also a shaker, and you can add something inside here. And it says Hoppy Easter. It's really cute, and you put this egg in between the word Hoppy. It's really neat. Next up, we have this KSCRAFT large daisy flowers. It looks really neat, and it's like super big. It's probably good for big projects, or on its own. You can decorate inside, add lots of details in here. And it comes with these, I'm not sure if it comes separately or together, this KSCRAFT stamen, I think that's how you pronounce it, for the large daisy flowers. So I think it might be separate. Yes. So you could either leave it like this, or you could have this like more 3D looking with this, when you roll this all up and put it in the middle, it looks more 3D, and it looks super awesome looking. Or you can have it on its own, where you can place some little characters on here, anything, words, and yeah, it's really nice set. The stamen comes with different patterns, so you can have different looking flowers, daisy flowers. This one's star shaped. It's so neat. Next up, we have this KSCRAFT Easter Memorydex, and it comes with this Easter word, and there's a bunny here with a bow and the face, and look at these cute flowers. It'll look so nice when you put it around here. I love how tiny they are, how small they are, so it'll definitely look really, really nice with these little flowers. I love working with tiny things. So, and it has different styles. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 different styles. So neat. Next up, we have KSCRAFT Easter House Box. And it comes with these carrots in here, and there's different trees or bushes. Let me try to open this up. So this one looks like this. It has a bunny here, some eggs, bushes. It looks like a topiary. And here's another different kind of topiary. And there's different kinds of roofs for the house, the tiling, I believe. And these are the windows, a door. Here's a different kind of bush and some grass. And I'm not sure what this is. It has, oh, it's a book with a cross on it, kind of like a Bible. And here's an egg. Next up, we have this KSCRAFT Easter gift bag. And it looks like a bag, and it has this nice edging on the top here and the handle. And look at the handle. It also has a really nice scalloped edge that you can add here to make it look extra fancy. And the bunny ears is so cute. And the bunny face. Here's the bunny ears. And then the faces here. It's super cute. It has sort of like a heart nose here and some eyelashes on the bunny face. It looks super cute with a bow here. It's so nice. And I believe this is for the side of the gift bag, so you'll have to cut out 2 pieces here and then 2 pieces of this this outer frame of the bag. And last, we have this KSCRAFT basket jelly tote. I'm really excited about these baskets. I just love baskets. I've so far made 2 different kind of KSCRAFT jelly bags. One is the gingerbread jelly bag, tote bag, and then there was the lip jelly tote bag, and now we have an Easter tote bag. It's super awesome because it's shaped like a basket, and I'm just like, oh, you could put so many different things like Easter eggs, like Peeps, anything, stuffed Easter dolls, anything, and paper embellishments to give for snail mail, happy mail. So many different ideas for this basket. I'm just, yeah, it looks so neat. And it comes with this nice label tag and a nice bow with egg and a grass, with the grass here. It's so nice. That's about it, and I'll list in the description box below all the links to where you could get these metal dies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.